In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneNote to take notes during a Zoom call like a boss. Whether you're in a team meeting, an online class, or a webinar, OneNote lets you capture information quickly, stay organized, and keep all your notes in one place so you never miss a detail. To start, open OneNote on your computer and select the notebook where you want to take your Zoom notes. It's a good idea to create a dedicated section or page for each meeting so that all your notes are organized and easy to reference later. Once your page is ready, you'll want to make sure you have a clear layout. Consider adding a title with the meeting name and date, and leave space for key points, action items, and follow-ups. During the Zoom call, you can either keep OneNote side by side with Zoom or use it on a separate monitor if you have one. This makes it easy to jot down notes in real time without missing any part of the discussion. Start by typing your main points directly into the page. Use headings, bullet points, or checkboxes to categorize information efficiently. For example, you can have a section for decisions, a section for tasks assigned, and a section for questions or clarifications. OneNote also allows you to insert screenshots or images directly from your Zoom call. If someone shares a slide or visual, simply take a screenshot, paste it into your page, and annotate it with highlights or notes. You can also use OneNote's drawing tools to circle important items or underline key points for easy reference later. Another powerful feature is the ability to record audio directly in OneNote. This is perfect for capturing parts of the Zoom call you might want to review later. Simply go to the Insert tab, click Audio, and start recording. Your notes and the audio recording will stay linked on the same page, making review much faster and more effective. After the meeting, take a few minutes to clean up your notes, organize headings, and add any missing information while everything is still fresh in your mind. You can also tag action items or important points for follow-up. And that's it. Using OneNote during a Zoom call helps you stay organized, capture every detail, and take notes efficiently like a boss. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.